You working? Hawks. I'm making a quick video to show how to hook up a Tusk kill switch, a 2005 Honda 400EX. I got the idea from a guy called Killquadracer on YouTube, but he did it on a 06 450R Honda, so I figured it'd be about the same, which it is. This is the quickest and easiest way, a lot easier than the instructions that come with it. Okay, first off, I mounted mine between the handlebars right here. It is a Tusk brand, but it'll work with other ones, I'm sure. I ordered it from Rocky Mountain ATV, if you're wondering where I got it. But yeah, you mount. That's the best spot to mount it. But okay, this is the easiest way. You run it into your key wiring harness. You splice it into it. The ground will splice into this green wire down here, and then the positive wire will splice into the black one with the white stripe on it. You splice them into that, and black electrical tape so don't get moisture. But you do that, and then you're ready to go. It don't take about 5 minutes after you figure out how to do it. So, and I'll show you real quick. See? Works pretty good. So that's all you really have to do, is just put them two wires, them other two wires, and you're set. It takes about 5 minutes. After you watch this video, it won't take long at all. But that's about all there is to it. And then you have to have one to race. I do know that, motocross. So for 20 bucks, you'll be ready to go. But if you have any questions, just leave a comment and I'll try to answer them. And then your stickers. But yeah, thanks for watching, and see you later.